Hi guys, this is Suman, your own tarot card reader. I welcome you to Tarot Fragrance Suman. So as promised, yes, I'm going to be doing reading for the next sign. Now this sign is going to be water sign. So in water sign we have Pisces, Cancer and Scorpio. So for Pisces, Cancer and Scorpio, what is that we have in store for them when it comes to their love and relationship, their career and finances, and also what is the advice given to them by the universe. This is what we are going to be taking today for the next remaining days of the month of August. Okay guys, so let us just begin the reading. So let us call upon all the angels from the universe to help us out with the reading. So yes guys, you can imagine your person's picture, or if you're lucky and your person is with you, you can sit with your person and watch this reading, right? Okay, now just take your person's name in your mind, concentrate on your question. Yes, if you have any particular question, yes, you can keep that question in your mind and watch the reading. Okay, and let us see how much it resonates with you. Okay, now this is a general reading. This may or may not resonate with everyone. So please, guys, you need to understand that and take what resonates with you, and you can leave the rest. Okay, for personal guidance and for personal reading, you can always contact me on my WhatsApp number, which is already given in the description box below. Okay guys, yeah, so let me just pull out first 5 cards. Yeah, for the first 2 cards are going to be telling you about your love and relationship. The next 2 cards will be for your career and finances, and the last card will be advice from the universe for you. Okay, follow the advice carefully, guys. I always tell you that advice is extremely important. If you follow the advice, you will definitely get benefited the most. Okay, so let me just pull out the cards for you. Are you able to see the cards? Okay, the first card is Tower. Something very surprising is going to happen all of a sudden, unexpectedly. The second card is King of Pentacle. These 2 cards are for your love and relationship. The World. 9 of Wands. These 2 cards for your career and finances. Last card. This is advice from the universe for you, which is 8 of Cups. Okay guys, are you able to see the cards or not? Okay, anyways, I'm going to be taking the cards in my hand. I'm going to show you what is that we have for you. Okay, so the bottom of the deck is Knight of Pentacles. Okay, the first 2 cards which I pulled for you for your love and relationship, they were these 2 cards. So they are the Tower and the King of Pentacles. Okay, so for your love and relationship, what I can feel is I don't know, but I think there are a lot of people who had some kind of a fight with their partner, or all of a sudden some kind of a breakup happened between the 2 of you. So when you parted off, I think that happened unexpectedly for both of you. And yes, now whatever is going to happen with you, even if this kind of a reunion, which I am expecting from this, I'm expecting reunion for you. So if there is any such kind of a reunion which is actually foreseen, then I would say that that reunion is going to happen very unexpectedly for you. That means I think you have been like kind of manifesting your person for a very long time now, and you kind of now feel that, oh, I have been waiting for my person for such a long time, but no results, nothing, and you become hopeless about it. So I think the universe is saying you not to feel hopeless about it, and because there's something which is going to happen to you, and you might not have even thought of it even in the wildest of your dreams, that this person is going to come to you. But this person is definitely going to come to you, and he's going to come to you with a solid offer. And yes, your person, I think all this while he has been concentrating more on his pentacle. That means he has been concentrating on improving his finances. This is what I can see. And yes, he's going to be very confident when he comes to you, because he's coming up with a very stable offer for you. Okay, although this person, I think he has been very slow in taking any kind of a decision when it comes to love and relationship with you. So this, he has already realized that he's been very slow about it. But this person is the kind of a person who believes in stability. So when he comes to you, he's not going to be coming to you with hollow kind of a offer. He's like, no, I have something really very stable and solid for you. So yes, although this person has been very slow, but this person, if he comes and enters into your life, he's going to be coming up with a very solid offer, which is going to be very long lasting as well. This is what I feel. Okay, so for your love and relationship, you can keep your fingers crossed. With any moment, your person is going to come and is going to surprise you. Okay, so congratulations, guys. And for your career and finances, I got these two cards, the World and Nine of Wands. With the World card, I feel that there are a lot of people who are either based outside India, or they have a job which requires a lot of traveling. This is what I feel. So for your career and finances, if this is so, then in this, and this also tells about completion of a cycle, completion of one cycle, and then beginning of a new cycle. This is what I feel. So if you had some kind of a thing wherein you felt that, no, this job is not working for me, and you all of a sudden decided of quitting that job. Okay, and then you quit the job, and then you were like kind of jobless for a period of time, and all of a sudden you realize that there is some new opportunity waiting for you, and this new opportunity is something which is very close to what it was earlier. That means same kind of an opportunity you got, same kind of a job profile, or same kind of a nature of the job, because of which you are a bit hesitant to take up that job. Okay, so let me clarify this job. So let me clarify these cards. Let us see what is that the universe is telling us to do in this case, because you're a little confused. You don't want to take up that job. You like kind of, no, I have already had a lot of bad experiences in my last job. I don't want to get into the same kind of a ditch again. This is what you're feeling. So you're a little reluctant to take up that offer. Let us just clarify the cards, and let us see why is that Nine of Wands come over there to clarify the World card. Okay, it's Ten of Pentacles, the Emperor, one more card, Justice. Okay, and the bottom of the deck is the Chariot. Okay, with a Ten of Pentacles and Emperor card, what I feel is there were a lot of responsibility on your shoulder, and it was like you maybe there were some people who were into their family business, and this family business was run by the head of the family, and you were working under that person. Okay, and some kind of a legal issue or some kind of a problem in the documentation happened, which led to you know confusion in your mind, and you thought of not continuing with the business, but not continuing with the family business or something, or maybe you guys face a lot of losses or something in your family business. This is what I feel. And similar kind of a offer you got again for your career and finances. So you were like, I don't want to be taking up any kind of a decision in hurry. This is what you're feeling, and you are thinking that if I take up this offer or this business offer or job, whatever, I don't know, I think it's all about business. So you are like, no, if I take up this business again, I'm going to be facing same kind of a failure which I faced earlier. This is what you're feeling. That is the reason you are little hesitant to take up this business offer which is being offered to you again by somebody somebody who is known to you, somebody who is holding a very authoritative position in the market. This is what I feel. And yes, and with the chariot card in the bottom, I feel that this business is something which is very challenging, and you are like kind of feeling that if I get into this kind of a business, I need to know a lot of things about it, and you also feel that there are a lot of things hidden, because can you see this black and white? So you need to make you need to understand what is good for me and what is not so good for me. This is what you need to understand before you plunge into it. And yes, again, if there is something, if there are some kind of a loopholes over here, you have to be very attentive about it, and you need to find out the authenticity of the business also. This is what I feel with these two cards. So yes, what I feel is if you are really you're coming across the same kind of a business offer, and in your previous experience, if you had something which was which was something wherein you felt that you wasted your time in the business and you did not come up with something concrete, something productive, then this time around, if you're feeling that same thing is going to happen with you, the cards are showing no, this will not get repeated with you, because these cards are all very positive. So if you take up this business again, this is going to bring you a lot of prosperity, and there are no hidden things over here, because the card of justice has come. So everything is like very legal over here, and there are no such loopholes. And if you take up this offer, this business offer and all, you are going to be definitely flourishing in it. And this is definitely going to be very challenging kind of a business for you, but you can blindly take up this offer and go ahead with it. This is what the cards are telling you. And now with the 8 of Cups, the advice from the universe is, see, for the business, this is suiting the most, I feel. Because see, last time around, you left the business and you went. Okay, although can you see these cups? They are all full, but you're not bothered about it. You're just going somewhere. You're feeling bored over here, and you feel that this is not serving me the way I want it to. So you're living this scenario, and you're going somewhere. So the universe is telling you again, you have same kind of a offer waiting for you. So you don't have to go again. You come back and take up that in your hand. If you do so, you will definitely be doing wonders in it. Yes, the business, even if it is a partnership kind of a business, in case you both will be very successful in this business, and this business is going to bring you a lot of abundance also. This is what the universe is saying. And for love and relationship, again, it says that somebody left you. Okay, somebody left you and he went, he or she, whoever. But this person is going to come back to you. So you don't have to feel hopeless about it. Okay? So yes, with this, I finished this reading for you. I hope this reading resonates with you, because this reading is extremely positive. And if it resonates with you, I'm definitely going to be very happy for you. I'm going to be the first person to feel very happy about it. And in case any one of you wants the extended version of this reading, you can always contact me. The details are already furnished there in the description box. Okay guys, so you can contact me via Instagram also, because Instagram address is also given over there. You can call me up also. WhatsApp number is also provided in the description box. So with this, I finish this reading for you, and we'll meet next for the next sign. Till then, please guys, do take good care of yourself. And thank you so much, all of you who have already subscribed to my channel, liking my channel, sharing my channel, putting all those lovely comments to encourage me, to motivate me. You are doing such a great job by doing that. I really appreciate it. I love all your comments and all. And those who haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. Like my videos, share my videos. You never know who needs this kind of help and support. So thank you guys. Thank you so much. Bye and